How dare you!
Hello everybody, welcome to the live stream today. Let's go, just had that bell ring just a minute ago. Sorry about being a minute or two late, had some stuff to do in the Discord really quick, but let's go. What a start to the day today. What a week it's been. We've seen so much fantastic volatility all across the board here. And looking at the market today, you know, we had that big dip down this morning, but I don't think that we're necessarily done yet. I think that there is a chance that we can still rip back to the upside today. Now, do I think that it's going to be like yesterday? No, I think it's going to be a little bit different. We're definitely not going to get that straight up type of movement that we got from yesterday. But it still looks pretty solid here to start the day so far. And I think that, you know, heading into next week, we could have a solid close here tonight. Honestly, it would be fantastic just to catch one or two amazing day trades today. I think that would be an amazing end to the week. And I'm really watching AMD and Nvidia. Those two stocks just keep going, and they are not slowing down anytime soon, it looks like. Man, Nvidia is really running up there. Man, 267. Ooh, that is a huge move there. Huge move. Wow. Wow, that is crazy, guys. Breaking the pre-market high, running all the way up again. Like, what is going on here with Nvidia? Come on. Man, look at that. 262. Oh my gosh. That would... Some of these moves over the past 2 days have been insane. I just can't even believe it. Oh my lord. I hope people aren't chasing these things too hard. This could be a tough one to trade, but wow. AMD, let's get up to 100. Maybe 98.50. Maybe we could hit 100 today. That could be pretty realistic. Man, that breakout above that trend line is proving to be fantastic on AMD. Just straight up fantastic. This is awesome, guys. Let's go. Hey, good morning. Glad to see you guys in here. Xbox, Mike, Aunt, Jamie, Sean. Thank you guys for joining. Sean says the pumpkin spice is woodshedding, which is Starbucks. Good old Starbucks here. Let's see it. Oh no, that is a big move. Back under $100, all the way down to 98.37. Definitely not what you want to see. It says Tessie came and touched 186, then got Mutombo. I love that, Sean. Baba below 82.88 might be all right. Let's see. Baba below 82.88 could be, or 82.80, right around there. Tesla is really, you're right, that is really getting the woodshed. What's happening here, Sean? This could be a good put play, I feel like, guys. Watch Tessie under like 183, maybe? Maybe? Nvidia was going up and I was talking about it in Discord and I'm like, yeah, now reality sat in, you know, because it was going up a little bit too much there. That is pretty crazy. It's just getting volatile as hell. Now it's flying back. Oh my lord. Apple's not really getting the movement that we want today. Not good there. See that SPY around 393.50. Looks alright. Looks alright. Man, this movement today, though, is just not really what I was hoping. You know, I was hoping to see some nice continuations off of yesterday, but as of right now, looks like we have to play a little bit of comeback before we're going to actually get maybe back to those levels that we were at yesterday. So I don't know. Not the way I wanted to open up today, that's for sure. Not the way I wanted to open up, but you know what? Today's going to be a nice long stream, so check in all throughout the day, guys. We'll be streaming all throughout the day today, so make sure you check that out. We'll be going for quite a while. I don't know how long we'll really be going for, but maybe up to like lunchtime or just past there could be a good way to go. PXMD Xbox said, I haven't even heard of this one. Pax Medica. Interesting stock. Look at the daily. Things like a pump and dump or something. It's not really. I just mean the movement is pretty volatile on this one. Like, look at these swings here. This thing's had multiple, like, look at that. 80% swing almost. Next one here. 120% swing. This one's, oh my gosh, almost 200% swing. The recent swing, almost 100%. Like, yeah, this stock is the king of 100% moves back up, it looks like. Holy hell. If you would have bought this thing on support the past year, you'd be up like 500%. That is something else. That is crazy. Crazy stuff. Man, I really appreciate you guys joining up, though, today. I do. I really, really do. If you're enjoying it, smash that like button. That'll help us as the day goes on, as we get through the long stream today. As we go through, it'll help us on YouTube, of course. I'm going to throw out a poll today, guys. I know yesterday we did a poll on the SPY, and whoever voted to the upside won on that poll. We're going to do another nice poll today. This one's going to be a little bit more constrained than yesterday. SPY range. Will SPY break above? We're going to do 396.50. Stay the same or fall below 390.50. All right. Break out above. Yeah, I like these polls, guys. They're pretty fun. Stay the same, and then 390.50. 390.50 is going to be that lower level, so. All right, there's your answers, guys. 3 answers. Let's go. Hey, happy Friday, Spacely. Let's go. What a day. Gotta get some claps going for Friday. Hell yeah. Let's go. Man, SPY's coming back. Nvidia's going. Oh my gosh, guys. Nvidia 263.50 to 264. Wow, look at that. Running all the way up. Trying to get up there. Hey, Peter. Nice. Nice stuff. Considering a position around 140, Xbox said on PXMD. I think that's great. PXMD looked really good around 140. If you can get in at 140, that'd be great. But I don't know. It seems like that's a tough place to buy. And if we get there again, I don't know. That'll be like a quadruple test. I don't know how many times we're going to test that bottom before it finally gives out. But let's hope that's not the case there. Let's hope it's not the case. Man, let's see the watch list today. What do we have to the upside? Good old FedEx with those earnings, of course. That was great from yesterday. That really helped. Just helped kind of set the tone. MasterCard, there we go. Nvidia running, of course. AMD, like we said. Coinbase is kind of up today. XPEV had good earnings. Look at that. XPEV, there we go. XPEV made Neo pop up, too. That looks pretty good. Yeah, XPEV looks like they survived earnings there. That's good to see for them. That is fantastic. Man, SPY still just kind of consolidating here, right around 393.50. Pretty crazy level there. Pretty crazy level. SPY's kind of rejecting now at 393.50. Not really the type of movement that I wanted to see today. Like I keep saying. Troika, hey, Spacely, thanks for joining. Hey, if you guys have any stocks you're watching, just let me know and I'll check them out as we go on here. But wow, should be a nice fun day for us. Palantir falling down. Watch 786, 7.86. That means my best friend DraftKings is down. No. They don't always move together, but those growth stocks a lot of the times will move with the regular stocks. Not all the time though, of course. Still have some Palantir leaps for January of 2024. I had the 10 strike calls. Oh, I was looking at DraftKings chart. That had me. I was like, oh, I'm in the money. There we go. No, Palantir, 10 strike calls, January 2024. Man, not sure we're going to be able to get up there or not. It's been a tough past couple of weeks for Palantir. We got up, and then we just sit here. We don't really get any good movement one way or the other. Nothing too crazy anyways. Hey, I do have a nice Friday funny video for us. We'll play it at 9:30 Central Time or 10:30 Eastern. Think you guys will enjoy it. It's a pretty funny video. Pretty funny. It has the presidents in there. Think you guys will like it. Should be fun. Hang on one sec.
All right.
All right. Let's go. Yeah, see that nice high up there, right around $8 to $8.05 on the Palantir. Nothing too crazy here. Nothing too crazy. Sean says that 393.50 to 394 is like the twilight zone. 393.50 to 394 is at the SPY. Take me down to the twilight zone. Da 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 da. Man, I love that song. Too bad I can't play it. Oh. And there's another Twilight Zone. There's actually 2 Twilight Zone songs that are really good, isn't there? There's the hockey one that they always play. And then there's another one, too. So one's by 2 Unlimited, and then the other one's by Golden Earring. Golden Earring. Both are really good songs, in my opinion. But I think, as long as I'm thinking of the right song. All right, let's check the poll, guys. 4 total votes. Let's go. Come on, guys. Vote in that poll. We can see how the SPY goes here. 396.50. Do you think we can break out above that, or do you think we'll fall below 390.50 or stay the same? I don't know. Stay the same should win. I mean, on a statistical basis, like there's a higher chance of us staying the same than there is of us breaking out of one way or the other. But I feel like that with everything going on, who knows? You know, it could get volatile. Sean says it could be very hard to break 393.50 to 394 today. It definitely could, Sean. Yeah, that intraday area is huge. Like yesterday, that was the big area I was really like waiting for. You know, that's been our big area here like the past 3 weeks or past 2 weeks at this point. Getting so many bounces there. Like, I'm going to circle all of them here. There's so many. Actually, I got to go like this and then go like this. This is funny. How many bounces are we going to get here before we learn our lessons?
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
That's fantastic, guys. Those sound buttons are something else. Those things are great. Hope you guys enjoy those. Man, let's go though. Let's get some good movement going on here. Yeah, let's get some better movement. Take my circles off of here. They're distracting me. Distracting my eyes. No, I'm just kidding. But here, 1 minute chart though on the SPY, we're starting to really reject down. If we get under, well, if we get under right here at 392.60, I think we can go a little bit lower. And we're now breaking that. So keep your eyes on it. Let's go. Hey, Keisha, good morning. How are you doing, Keisha? Hey, Christian. Wow. What's up, guys? Thank you guys for joining up today. Keisha, we've missed you today. We have missed you. I hope you're having a good morning, both of you guys. Pretty nice Friday here. We're going to be live pretty much all the way up until lunchtime, or right around 1 p.m. Eastern time. So be on the lookout for that. We'll be going as the day goes on, that's for sure. Wow, look at this, guys. We're going to maybe try this a little bit later, too. You guys were interested in that. Not really, I'm just kidding. That was up from last night. I was curious why it was still open. I guess I left it on. It is what it is. Good old RuneScape. Keisha said, Tom, did you have your monster or coffee this morning? No, I actually did not. I had neither one today. But I'll tell you what, we're getting jacked up on Mountain Dew. Oh, hell yeah. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, we had a lot of Mountain Dew, though. Not a lot, but just a little bit. Jacked up on Mountain Dew. That is a good scene. Let's see if I can find that. Oh. Ricky Bobby. Gotta love Ricky Bobby. Oh. I don't see it. They have the shake and bake? Who wants to do the shake and bake? There we go. Oh, man. Shake and bake, but no, seriously, it's been a pretty good day, Keisha. We've had some Mountain Dew. That's all we need. No, I'm just kidding. I'll probably get some coffee if we go on, or maybe later, we'll have to see. Mountain Dew is the original monster, Xbox says. I'll tell you what, this little bottle of Mountain Dew has more sugar than Monster. I'll tell you that. I know it doesn't have the other stuff, but definitely has some stuff in it. Man, Nvidia broke out and then fell back down. Hang on, let's see. Which options do people... Someone asked me, which options do people trade? Google Class A or Class C? I'm pretty sure both. Let's see. Google. I just gotta look at my chains real quick, guys. I mean, both look good. I don't know. Man, Nvidia. Palantir here, sorry guys. Yeah, but as it turns out, well, I checked both chains. Both of the options chains look pretty good on Google. GOOGL and GOOG. So both seem pretty good as I checked it. There's NVIDIA though, testing support. We'll have to see how it can go here. Gonna redraw this up. Boom. There we go. Yeah, Mike said Goog L has more liquidity, so that makes sense. Man, NVIDIA, like, broke out today, kind of faked everybody out there around the high of day. Wasn't able to really get anything going. Should have fired NVIDIA puts. Yeah, Christian, I'm with you there. I'm with you. We should have fired some. AMD as well. Oh, I was looking at the wrong ticker. That's funny. But it had the same movement. That's funny. I knew that it was the same, like the same thing either way. That was funny. Was looking at AMD. Sean says, wait till you get to 40. Those Mountain Dews are serious weight gainers. Hey guys, I have an update today on my weight gain. Hang on, I texted it to my girlfriend. What was I? So get this, guys. I've been trying to gain weight a lot. Like the past couple weeks, I've been trying to gain weight so much. And I mean, like, to the point to where I'm like eating tons of stuff. I'm making a lot of these like smoothies all the time with like a ton of like fattening stuff in them, like yogurts and milk and, you know, tons of stuff like that, and eating tons of protein. Like I actually have been eating like tons of steak. Like over the past couple of weeks, I've probably eaten like 10 ribeyes or something. It's crazy. But I've been really trying to gain weight, and I mean it's been working a little bit. I was at 135, and I was hovering like right around like 133, 135. This morning I weighed 137.8. So I'm getting up there a little bit here. Today was my best day in a while, so hopefully it can keep going. Tonight's chess night at the gym. Hopefully I can get some food in here as the day goes on. Keep my calories high. And the Mountain Dew has actually been helping me with the carb intake, the calorie and carb intake. It's been really helping, which is kind of cool. But hey, any tips you guys have on eating more food would be appreciated. I have problems eating. I need to eat more. I could go without eating perfectly fine. That's not a problem to me. But it's hard for me to eat a lot of food, especially like in one sitting and stuff like that. Unless it's steak. If it's steak or something, oh, I could eat it all day. I feel like a steak I could almost unlimitedly eat. Not really, but, you know, I can eat that anytime. I really dislike eggs and stuff like that. That's why I bought the steak. I actually was eating it for like breakfast, which is funny. Eating steak for breakfast. But I can't stand eggs, so. But I finally got up there a little bit. Hey, thanks, Sean. Appreciate that. Yeah, I've been trying to get some speed for golf, you know, and then of course I hurt my back now. I actually hurt my back really bad at golf the other day. Man, Sean says smoke some pot and get those munchies. Trust me, Sean, I wish that would help. I wish that would help. Oh, that's funny though. That's awesome. Yeah, Sean, I actually pulled my back. You know, as we all know, you know, we're golfers in here. I'm not the best golfer in the world, and man, I didn't like miss the ball, Sean. I was on like a weird lie with like on like a hill, and I had to like hit a high flop shot, and my club dug into the ground, and when it dug in, man, I hurt my back really bad like a week and a half ago, like the lower left side of it. Oh, it's terrible. It's terrible. I feel like I need to go get an MRI, but today's been better. Keisha says, why are the banks back down? Good question, Keisha. The banks are falling because we actually saw more turmoil with Credit Suisse and with FRC this morning. I saw people got more fears coming in. Let's go ahead and see if I can find the articles again. Oh yeah, here we go. Credit Suisse, they're down this morning. They rallied yesterday after the Swiss National Bank. Okay, here we go. These shares declined in pre-market. A group of 11 banks. Yeah, I don't know. They're falling back down. The banks are falling back down. I think it's just because, you know, obviously there's still some fear here. Even though they're getting propped up, it's still a terrible thing to see. So maybe that's kind of what's going on, but I don't know. It's a pretty insane situation with the banks right now. I feel like stuff just keeps coming out as time goes on. I thought that there was some better information in here, but let me see if I can find a different article. Maybe it was this one. Oh, here it is. Here it is. So they said this week's intervention by Swiss authorities, which also reaffirmed that Credit Suisse met the capital and liquidity requirements imposed on systemically important banks, prompted shares to jump more than 18% Thursday. Credit Suisse also offered to buy back around 3 billion francs worth of debt. I think they're called francs. I don't know. I don't know. I didn't really... Let's see if there's any news specifically from right now today. Should be something. I'm not seeing anything too crazy as of yet. Yeah, I don't think that there's any big news today. There's just people digesting the news from the past few days, and I think that's part of the bigger reason why we're down. Now, was there some economic data today? Let's see. Okay, there was the Michigan Consumer Sentiment. Came out a little while ago, or just now, actually. Just now came out. It's actually really low. Uh-oh. That actually is not looking good. Let's see if what SPY does here as that sentiment comes out. Wow, SPY's blasting. Let's go. That's funny. Right as right as the news came out, they go flying up. Yeah. Oh, I guess the SIVB filing Chapter 11 could have. I guess that could have been like the nail in the coffin. I guess it could have. Very well could have been. Keisha says, "Don't encourage Mary J." Oh, can you strike that from the record? You guys are funny. They actually just legalized it here where I live, which is funny. This year it became legal, and trust me, everybody's been into it since it came out. So it's been like the big thing here this year. I feel like that's gonna die off though. It's been dying off, you know, as time goes on, but Starting like February 1st, I think you were like allowed to buy it here, but I don't know. I only bought it one time, and I bought some edibles, and we'll just say that I shouldn't have bought them. Those things are insane. But everybody was like, "Oh, just have a gummy and you'll relax." And I'm like, "Have a gummy and relax? What are you talking about?" And I had the gummy, and I was like, "Is it relaxing time?" And I didn't really think of anything, time went by. They said after like an hour you'd feel it, and I was like, man, I'm not feeling this gummy. So I had one more, and then of course right after I ate the second one, I felt the first one after like 10 or 15 minutes or something, and then I don't know, man. Those gummies are something else. I'll be honest. That is I don't know what to say about that. I've never even taken a pain pill in my life. I've never ever even taken a painkiller. Like a no prescribed ones or anything like that. Like none of that ever. So, I haven't even like taken anything doctor prescribed. So that gummy put me out. Put me out. No, the gummies, Xbox, with the gummies. The gummies. Specifically gummies, I should say. Alright. Talking about the MJ, though, how's the Tilray doing? Tilray's looking pretty good. I don't know, maybe we should buy some, right? What else do we have? Tilray. What's my favorite one? PLNHF, Planet 13, that's right. It's hard to remember their ticker sometimes. Ooh, they're under $1 now. Not looking good. They're on the OTC market. This stock is actually, they own the biggest dispensary in Las Vegas. So, I don't know, if marijuana starts blowing up, this stock should do pretty well, as, you would think they would expand. And I think that they definitely would expand as time goes, but CDM says, I'm in the same boat trying to gain weight. I was told starting out to just get into a routine or schedule and set reminders to actually eat and eat whatever as long as you're getting it in. Yeah, CDM, that's the big thing. Like, with me, it's eating what I like. Then that's the big thing that I've noticed really helps me actually be able to do this, because, everybody will say like, oh, well, I wake up every morning and I eat 5 eggs and I have French toast with eggs all over them and all this, and multiple, 5 pieces of French toast and all this with eggs all over it. And I'll, for example, like, I just can't, I'm not a big like sweets guy, so most of the breakfast to me goes out the window. The only thing I really like eating at breakfast is hash browns, sausage, and bacon. That's honestly it. Besides that, I don't even like breakfast, really. So, I just like the bacon, to be honest with you. I'll just eat the whole pack of bacon. All for breakfast. That probably sounds terrible, but that's exactly that's exactly how it is. Yeah, I think just eating what you like is a pretty good way to go. Christian's up 20% on Nvidia calls off that dip. Good stuff, Christian. You buy it right there. Nice. Right around support. That's great to see. Big support there around 258. I'm glad you entered right there. Pretty good timing, actually, on that dip. Come on, Nvidia. Let's go. Break out. Let's hit 264. Let's get out. Let's get above that. Come on. Let's go. Hell yeah, Sean. Let's go. The bot's back. Love it. It's fantastic to see. Sorry, guys. Someone's asking me about the Goog resistance real quick. Hang on here. Oh, wow. They're running up right into it. All right, sorry about that, guys. It looks like that 108 resistance up there is the big area. Yeah, what's going on here? Apparently people are saying that Trump is allowed back on YouTube. Wow. Who would have known? I don't want to get overly political here, so I don't really want to talk about it too much, but all that we'll say about the situation in general is that, you know, I don't think anyone should be banned, really. I mean, come on now. That's pretty rough. It's alright, though. I don't think anyone should be banned. They should just be shunned publicly if people don't like it. You know, maybe that's kind of how it should go, but I don't know. It is what it is. Don't want to get too overly political in here, of course. Pretty rough. Pretty rough conversations when we get into that stuff, so we'll try to stay away. For sure. Just sold 25%. Good stuff, Christian. W's for Christian, guys. Let's go. That's fantastic. W's on NVIDIA for Christian. That's awesome. Clapping here. There we go. That's great, guys. That's fantastic. And don't forget, we're having a long stream today, so check back in as the day goes on. We'll be going all the way till about lunchtime, so make sure to check back in. Even if you guys have to go somewhere for a little bit, we'll still be here when you get back. And guess what?
I'm not leaving.
I'm not fucking leaving!
That's right. We're not leaving. So, there we go. Gotta have the old Wolf of Wall Street here, right? And hey, in 20 minutes, we're going to be playing a funny video I think you guys will get a kick out of. Think you guys will like this one. I do. I've been loving some of these videos lately, guys. Some of these videos are very, very, very funny. Now, don't take offense to any of these videos I play, by the way. So, I just want you guys to know that. Do not take offense to anything that they say on these videos. All right. It's just like some comedy, for example. It's like stand-up in a way. It's not too dirty, I don't think. YouTube lets them put it out there, so we'll we'll just say that. YouTube allows it, not me. So yeah, some of these videos are hilarious though. Yeah, I hope you guys are around for that one. Keisha, you might want to mute your mic at 9:30. Just so you know. Yeah, let's go, guys. Seriously, that was an awesome play, Christian. Deserves the dubs, deserves it. Yeah, it's awesome, Sean. Mike says, I eat hash browns, bacon sausage, and eggs every single morning. That's awesome, Mike. Love that. I wish I could do that. Wish I could do that. If it's not steak, like I said, I have trouble eating it. Sucks. Hey, don't forget to vote in the poll, guys, and like the stream. We're at 9 likes. Come on, let's get those likes up. Got some rookie numbers going on. Let's get those likes higher. Same thing with the poll, guys. Come on, I know we all have an opinion on the SPY here. I know a lot of people think it's going to stay the same. That's kind of how I'm voting, too. I also feel like it's gonna stay the same, I guess. Yeah, I'd say stay the same. Stay the same. Yeah, Nvidia though. What a stock the past couple days. Everybody's been loving that one. It's been funny. Yeah, Keisha, it's gonna it's gonna be funny at 9:30 or 10:30 Eastern time. It's only like an 8-minute video though, so it's about the US presidents. Okay, there's been a lot of funny videos lately about the presidents. Have you guys seen these videos? They are hilarious. Here, I'll put it up on the screen. This is going to be what we play. It's going to be a video where the US presidents, they do all types of funny stuff, okay? We're going to actually do the one where they go camping. Because I feel like the sleepover one, if you guys like the regular one, we might do the next one, but where's the camping one at? Oh, come on. There it is. Like, look at these YouTube names. Don and the gang. Like, I'm not kidding. These videos have been blowing up. Like, look at that. 348,000 views. 500,000 views. It's so funny. I don't know if you guys have seen these things lately, but they are hilarious. Keisha, at least watch this fishing trip one. I think you'll like it. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I think that one's not as graphic as the other ones. I don't think. Man, how is tech? Looks like they're starting to fall off. Spy's going down. Apple's starting to turn over a little bit. Apple turnover, of course. Microsoft's still pumping. Gotta love that. Goog was pumping. Looking good there. Nvidia looking good. Goog. I love the Goog, though. Yeah, and hey, who's playing me at chess later, guys? Who's playing chess later? Keisha's playing? Dingo watched The Wolf of Wall Street this morning. Dingo. No way. You watched it this morning? How? What? You just now saw that? Or did you mean you already saw it? But still, how did you even get that in this morning? That's crazy, Dingo. That's insane. Just now had it? What? that's crazy. That's a pretty long movie too. I own it on YouTube. It's like 3 hours almost. He said he was up at 7. Wow. Xbox said seeing that trailer in the back reminded me of when I used to wash RVs and trailers. Nice, Xbox. Hope you enjoyed them. I hope you at least enjoyed them. I'll be right back, guys. Just give me 1 second. Gotta go grab a quick drink. Be right back. Oh yeah, Xbox, not bad at all. 8.5-hour days, 7 days a week. That's not bad. Sounds pretty rough to me, but Adobe's still ripping from yesterday. Mom's Play sold at 580, almost 15 now. Oh my gosh. Adobe. Oh wow, all the way up to 360 now. Jeez. 360. I did not expect a move like that. How does that even happen? 360. While I was out in the kitchen, guys, I grabbed some chocolate chip biscuits. These things are good. Gotta keep up the energy for the stream, you know? I was getting to that point where, like, my stomach was like, eat. I'm not a big sweets guy, but I like this specific thing. It's not like sweet, it's like a biscuit. Well, it's sweet, but, you know, not like too sweet. Really, Xbox? 6 12-hour shifts? That sounds terrible, man. That sounds terrible. I'll be honest, that sounds worse than... I don't know what's worse on that. Huh. Yeah, it's hard to say, Xbox. I guess you'd rather get your day off, right? I don't know. Pretty crazy, though. Alright, sorry guys, I had to down those things really quick. We are now done. We completed the task. "10 minutes out from the funny video." He goes, "It works for me." Hell yeah, Xbox, whichever. I was just wondering why. I'm kind of wondering why you'd rather have that. Do you like it with the day off, or do you like it, like, I get it works for you, but, like, I guess why? Yeah, Dingo, The Wolf of Wall Street. Who in here has not seen The Wolf of Wall Street? We're going to actually end this poll, and we're going to do a poll with The Wolf of Wall Street now. Have you seen The Wolf of Wall Street? Alright, guys, I threw up the poll. Check out the poll, guys. I think you guys will like this one. Have you ever seen The Wolf of Wall Street? This is a pretty good poll. I think it's a pretty fun one, too. Hope you guys enjoy it. Xbox says the 12-hour shifts go by quickly for me. Next thing I know, I'm back to 5 8-hour shifts most of the day, not spent at home, and more money coming in so I can make moves I couldn't previously. That is true, Xbox. That is very, very true. Mike, he used to work in a steel mill, I believe. Was that right, Xbox? Or no, grass seed. Oh, yeah, okay. Laid off, it's grass seed. That's right. Grass seed. I always thought you worked for security at the steel mill, but that was somebody else. I think that was a lead in the Discord. Alright, guys, 6 minutes till the video. Spy's falling down here, 391. Alright, I think it's almost put time, guys. It might be put time on some of these plays. Maybe Apple or Microsoft. Microsoft doesn't look bad. It's really overextended. Ugh. Man, what do we do? What do we do? Crazy. No, Xbox, I didn't get a chance to. I just didn't really, I mean, I looked up, like, their website, but I didn't see, you know, anything too in-depth. Was this it? Oh, wow. So you work on this exact, area. Yeah, it's pretty cool looking. Look, I got the weather. That's not fair. In Oregon, it's gonna be 45 degrees Sunday. Oh. Man, I gotta play golf in, like, terrible weather. Did you guys like my fourth option on the Wolf of Wall Street voting? You guys had to have seen that one, right? Had to have seen it. Alright now, come on. Microsoft's having a bad day. Coinbase is in talks with clients about new overseas venue. What? Coinbase is? That could be pretty big. Xbox says it reminds him of his second home. Oh wow, Mike does concrete. Dang, Mike. Concrete's a hard job. That shit's heavy. Really, really heavy. Yeah, that's good though. Coinbase is in talks with clients over an overseas venue. Sounds nice for the market, right? Sounds good. At least for Coinbase, but they're not really moving. I'm kind of waiting for some better put opportunities here today. What can we play to the downside? General Motors, Ford, Meta. Lucid, maybe? They're kind of falling off. Lucid's having a bad day. Yeah, they didn't follow XPEV, unfortunately. Mike was hoping they would kind of follow XPEV last night, but Neil followed XPEV because they're a Chinese company, but I don't know, not too much movement out of the American ones, unfortunately. I was hoping for something. Didn't get much of anything coming in, sadly. Not the type of movement you want, though, that's for sure. That is for sure. We're about to do our video, though, guys. The funny video of the day. The Friday funny video. Think you guys will enjoy that. CDN. Christian says those meta puts doing okay. Didn't filter, though. Come on, meta. Filter down through 198 for us. Come on. Yeah, I am too, Houdini. I think it might be, like, trying to pop. I thought it would pop up, too. I'm with you, man. Yeah, I saw it because you posted it. That's the reason why I saw it. Man, they said the banks are snowballing. Schwab. Looks like it'll be a red day playing SQQQ. Let us see, Seren says. Yeah, let's see. Let's see it. Let's see it. Yeah, I think it does look pretty rough. Mike Chang says, let's all meet up at Planet 13 in Vegas one day. We'll have a stocked up convention. Mike, I'm with you, man. We should definitely meet up there. That would be really, really cool. Maybe not necessarily there, but maybe somewhere in Vegas would be fun, I'd say, right? I think that'd be a fun time. I'd be down to do it. If anybody else would. I'm not kidding either. I'd really do it. It might be like a year out from now. We'd have to plan it early, but... Oh man, that'd be fun. That would be fun. Xbox says, damn, Tesla's falling like a rock. Is it? Let's see. TSLA. It really is down to 180 again. Got that big rejection at 186. Who called this morning? Somebody called this. Christian says he almost fired 10,000 shares of XPEV. Didn't want it to tank, but would have been a risky play. Yeah, I'm with you, Christian. That was a pretty risky one. Pretty risky. XPEV's pretty good, though. I like XPEV overall. Pretty good company. See UVXY. I was trying to get this thing to break above 610 today. Not really getting the breakout I hoped for, but... Alright, guys, it's time for the funny video of the day. Alright, so hey. Here's how this goes, guys. If you are somebody easily offended by things, mute the mic. Other than that, I think that you'll be pretty good, to be honest. It's not a overly bad video or anything like that. It's allowed on YouTube, so that's all I can say. All right, that's all I can say. I'm on YouTube right now, and YouTube already allows this, so they can't come at me, can they? I mean, these videos are getting like 500,000 views here, so I don't know, but all right. Here's the video, guys. I think we'll have a funny time here. It's only a few minutes. If you guys like this, let me know in the chat. I think you guys will get a pretty good kick out of this one.
You know, I'm glad us three were able to put our differences aside and go on this trip.
Yeah, I just worry that one of us will do something out of line.
Fuck you, Joe.
I didn't say anything about you, Donald. Calm down.
But you implied it.
Imply these nuts, Donald. Let's just enjoy the camping trip.
Both of you chill. Let's not get off to a bad start. So are we going fishing or kayaking first?
Fishing for sure. The fish don't bite as much later in the day.
Of course your lazy old ass would say that, Joe. It's time to get in shape.
No way is your fat ass going to balance on the kayak for more than 2 seconds.
You'd be surprised, Joe. I could kayak to Europe in a week if I had to.
It seems I'm the deciding vote. Fishing it is.
God damn it, Barack.
Barack, could you grab my rod? I can't reach the back of the truck.
I don't swing that way, homie, but I'll get the fishing rods.
You know what I meant, asshole?
Calm down, Joe. This was your whole idea.
For fuck's sake, let's just start heading towards the river.
Holy shit, this fish is almost as big as your mom, Joe.
Shut the fuck up, Donald.
Calm down, Joe. Just because you haven't caught a fish doesn't mean you have to be an asshole.
Yeah, cheer up. At this rate, we might get to kayaking sooner than we thought.
Not until I catch the absolute monster I've been seeing swimming around.
I haven't seen Trump's mom swimming anywhere, Barack.
Classic, Joe. Double dipping on the your mom joke.
Classic Donald, constantly being an ass every chance he gets.
There you go again with it, Joe.
Shut the fuck up, you two. You're scaring the damn fish away, for fuck's sake.
Well, if they weren't scared already, they certainly are now.
I wonder whose fucking fault that was.
Sorry, Barack. I know we agreed to not try and fight as much. You won't hear another word out of me until there's a fish on the end of my line.
Thank goodness I don't have to listen to any more of his sleepy words. I about fell asleep and let my rod fall in.
Holy shit, I think I caught one.
Real, dumbass, real.
I'm trying, but it's pulling like a fucking truck.
Just fucking real, pussy.
Holy shit, I caught one. What do I do now?
Take the hook out of his mouth, dumbass.
Where are the pliers at?
Right where they always fucking are, Joe, in the damn tackle box.
Holy shit, I've never done this before, Barack.
How the fuck has your old ass never caught a fish?
Donald, he just doesn't remember. Give him a break.
I hope I don't fuck this up.
I wouldn't be surprised if you did.
Not helping, Donald. I think I got it.
Just throw it back in the fucking water, Joe.
All right, here it goes.
Holy shit, Joe. I think you fucking killed it.
Next time, Joe, throw it in the water, please.
I fucking know, asshole. I just made a bad throw.
A bad throw? That was more than a bad throw, Joe. You fucking sent that sucker straight into a rock. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Donald, I know I fucked up. Just shut the fuck up.
With that, homies, I think it's time to put up fishing and start kayaking.
I'm so down.
For fuck's sake, kayaking time it is. So I said, look here. If you don't like what we are doing here, you can get the fuck out.
What the fuck?
Alrighty, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that little video there. I don't know how you guys are gonna accept that video or not, but I thought it was pretty darn funny. I liked it. I thought it was a pretty, you know, it wasn't very political or anything like that. They just, you know, it was just kind of like banter among friends almost. I thought it was kind of funny. Pretty good. UVXY, though, rejecting right at 610. Not getting the breakout that we were hoping for here. I was hoping for a better breakout here, possibly. Up above 610. That could have been actually a pretty good thing to see. Seren says they're also scalping FRC. FRC, let's see. All right, Mike, we can stop in there for sure. For sure. Trust me, that'll be like the very first stop I go whenever we get there. That'll be the first store we go to. I'll make it a priority, Mike, okay? It'll be like the biggest priority for us. No joke. I'm not even being sarcastic either. I'm down, Mike. PLNHF, love it. Let's see here. Let's look it up. Let's see what it looks like. Planet 13 in Vegas. Let's do it on YouTube and see a little video of it, right? Planet 13 in Vegas. Let's see. Before we do that, though, let's check in on the SPY and Apple. SPY's fallen off, of course. That's why UVXY was going up. Looking good. SPY. Apple's off. Microsoft still pulling back. Tesla is having a huge sell-off after hitting 186 earlier. Whoever called that out at 186, man, congrats to you. You killed it. Killed it out there. Nice. We have 11 total votes in the poll. I appreciate that. If you guys haven't voted yet, keep on going. What? Xbox, what are you saying? JK, that wasn't bad. The kids you know. What's that? Was that another video that they had on there? I don't know what that is. What the? Yeah, it is. It's like the Costco of cannabis. Here, let's see what it looks like in there.
At 112,000 square feet, this facility is half the size of a Walmart and is the world's largest cannabis dispensary. It's a beautiful facility, and inside they're making it a destination for cannabis. We're here because they allow cameras. They gave us a full tour. We saw where they make all their cannabis products, from infusing beverages to making chocolates and gummies. We also got a sneak peek into the weed museum, and that's going to be located right next to a large pool that overlooks the strip. There's entertainment everywhere. When you walk in, there's an interactive floor. There'll be butterflies fluttering throughout the hallways. We saw orbs floating overhead the dispensary. There's interactive displays outside and inside all through the entire building.
Planet 13 opened about May of 2016, medicinal only. And then July 1st of the following year, 2017, our recreational pass were able to open. And in 10 months, we did $18 million out of 2,300 square feet. When I was got out of high school ready to join the Air Force, working at a gas station, a friend comes from California with the first joint and said, "You want to try one?" And we said, "Oh, yeah, I'll buy one." So he gives you a little sticker with a 13 on it and a circle around it. I said, "What does 13 have to do with marijuana?" He said, "It's the 13th letter of the alphabet, is the M." All the kids knew what was going on. The parents didn't. It was cool at the time. That's where we started with the 13. We did Planet 13, Planet M, or Planet Marijuana. We have 85 bud tenders, 50 different vendors. We only grow 10% of our products, but that's where we buy from the other 50 vendors. We added the Per Coffee Shop and the Rickety Cricket Bistro, a small event center, and then we're adding 2,000 square foot store for our memorabilia, our clothing, and so on. And then a customer-facing production facility where you can actually watch the chocolates being made, the gummies being made, and our drinks being made.
Wow, guys, I'm going to go grab a quick drink while this plays out. I'll be right back.
Because of the destination we tried to create, attractions that people like to see, and we've done a lot of those inside here. We also have a reward for taxi drivers that drop people off. But the rest is all through social media. And we encourage videos and cameras for the different things that they think are fantastic and we think are fantastic to tell their friends. And to us, it's the best form of advertising, through referral. Even though we get about 115,000 people through the front door every month, we only hit less than 3% of the tourists coming to town. So the upside for us is, you can realize, enormous. So only been here 13 months already in this location. we're very optimistic of how much we can have this grow. We let you come to Las Vegas and exercise every vice known to man, and then go home and live a normal life.
Wow, guys, what a place, though. I mean, this place is huge.
Interactive floor. The cannabis product from infusing beverages to making chocolates and gummies.
Isn't it bigger? Like, don't they actually show, like, some better videos of, like, the inside or something, though?
Warren has a coffee shop. More constant.
I mean, I'm just showing it for the purpose of showing how big the place
amounts
is.
of product.
Everywhere
like, you look in here, there is Mike Tyson branded.
Maybe it'll
one
show him
wraps.
like walk around here. I don't
He
really
still
want to
lives
show
in
anything
town, and
bad.
he is a big advocate for
show how big it is because this
marijuana
freaking
use,
stock is awesome. PLNHF.
recreational or
It's actually my favorite
medical.
marijuana stock. I'm thinking about picking some up.
And everywhere you look in here, there is a checkout. It looks humongous. They have about 51 registers and copious amounts of product. This is the platinum flower tier. Looks like this is the gold flower
Alright,
tier.
so there we go. You can tell it's kind of just it's a big place, okay? That's the main thing I was trying to get across. It's a humongous place. And whenever you look at these stocks that are marijuana based, like CGC, Tilray, stuff like that, they're not necessarily like big stores like that. PLNHF is like a big store. You know, like that's the difference, I think, with them. It's almost more than like a dispensary, you know? It's like a humongous place. I think it's a pretty good stock. Could be a pretty good stock for a long time. Oh, I see Xbox. Yeah, unfortunately though, Xbox, I can't do something like that. That's taking it, you know, a little bit to the far end of the spectrum. Mine was just the president saying the F-bombs or something. You know, it wasn't that bad. Wasn't that bad. But hey, I appreciate you guys joining up today. Seriously, we're going to get back into the stocks here. Back into the stocks a little bit. Look at the FedEx popping up today. What a move. That daily chart just continues to hold up off that trend. Beautiful. Love seeing trends hold. But today, the trend is not holding today. Every big move from this morning is falling back off. Just about all of them. Poor Disney just can't get anything going here lately. Man, I'm glad I got rid of those calls I had on this one. Jesus. Terrible. Terrible movement today. Oh, you're good, Xbox. Oh, you're fine, man. I just mean, oh, were you being... I guess I'm confused. I figured there really was a video out there like that. Either way, if that's like the title of the video, even if it is sarcastic, I can't play it, which sucks. I know it's not like you're not saying that, of course. I know it's just a video and shit. But yeah, it's hard to convey on the messages, of course. That's how it is. Of course it is, right? Hey, who's playing us at chess today, right? Aren't we gonna get a chess game in? Does anybody want to play? I'm taking any openers today, or I'll take on anybody. Besides for... Hey, Dan, thank you. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you as well. I forgot about that. Thank you for the reminder, Dan. I've actually been eating corned beef all week. We made it on Sunday. We made a ton of it this past Sunday for it, and the only reason I made it Sunday is because I bought the meat Sunday morning, and I got too excited and I didn't want to wait. I didn't want to wait, so we made it Sunday. But I've been eating that all week, Dan. That's been awesome. Yeah, corned beef. Let's go. St. Patrick's Day. Forgot about that though, guys. Let's go. Happy St. Patrick's Day all around. That's awesome. 12 total votes. Most of you guys have seen The Wolf of Wall Street, but honestly, a surprising amount haven't. So, pretty big. I'd play it if I could. If it was legal to play it live right now, I'd play it. I actually haven't bought into PLNHF yet, Mike. I'm not gonna lie, though. Right now seems like one hell of a time. We might add this into our port here. I mean, do we? Do we dare? Is that Alright, we dare, man. We gotta do it. I really like this stock. Wait, what? It wouldn't let me place my buy order. Come on. What? Alright, whatever. I'm gonna have to do a buy custom. That's so dumb. Delete. Alright. We're gonna have to buy it on our phone. Hang on. Not letting me buy it. That's not fair. I think we're gonna hop into this for the long term right here. I do like it quite a bit. PLNHF. I like it a lot at these levels. I mean, these levels are great. They really are. I think they're great. And I don't think they're gonna go under being in Vegas. Maybe. I mean, are people not going to Vegas anymore? I don't know. The casinos by me are packed all the time. I'll tell you that much. Packed. 0.819. Alright, let's see if we can get in there. Orders. You guys will hear it pop up once it fills. Hang on. I'm just playing around with the spread here. What is going on? Man, something's whack on here on Thinkorswim today, guys. My gosh. That was like the laggiest crap I've ever done. It was so laggy I couldn't even get the order placed on the computer, which was sad. Jeez. But there we go. I got 1,000 shares of PLNHF. I do like Planet 13. I think that'll be a pretty good one as time goes. Now, it might not be the best. You know, it's a risky play. You know, like, let's be honest. It's a... Like, do I ever expect to really get that money back I just put in it? Not really. You know, like, am I ever going to see this $825 ever again, or this $830 ever again? No. I mean, maybe not. Maybe. But I might. Yeah, if you look at the time in sales, I did get filled on it. At 83. I tried to get 0.825. It wouldn't work. Sadly. Yeah, it was weird though. My Thinkorswim was not letting me place the order. It is what it is. I should have light speed trading. That's what I should be using. Although, I think they're good still. They're good. No, they're not crashing. I think they just went away. You know what, Thinkorswim?
How dare you?
Yeah, how dare you?
How dare you?
There you go. Xbox, I got you. Yeah, I know. I knew you were being sarcastic, Xbox. I knew you were being sarcastic. I just don't I don't know about the widest kids thing. That's the thing where that's where I'm lost, Xbox. I knew you were being sarcastic. I'm confused about the widest kid thing. I don't know what you meant by that. I'm so lost. As far as that goes. But I understand it with the rest. Understand it with the rest. Hey, and who's playing chess today? Chess.com. Go make an account, guys. Preferably somebody new. I don't want to play anybody who's been doing this forever. I will if it comes down to it. Like, I will do it, but I'd preferably like to play Keisha. Or somebody who's not... If you know what you like, if you know a specific strategy on how to open, I might not want to play you, you know? Unless your name's Sean Cornish, because I think I can beat him anyways. He might have like he might mess up his computer or something, and then I'll beat him. I'm just kidding, Sean. That was funny yesterday, though. Or the other day, whenever you said that. Had me dying. Seriously had me dying. Sniper up today? No. Not the free sniper. There we go. Yeah, the SM bot's doing good, Cornish. Got Amazon puts going here. AMZN, yeah, it's been calling that out for a while. That's been fantastic. JP Morgan puts on the SM bot, which is awesome. That's awesome to see. Wells Fargo puts are on there as well. Pretty bad today. Pretty bad, but that means it's actually looking pretty good. Wells Fargo's kind of popping back up now, unfortunately. Don't want to see that happen. Don't want to see that happen. Come on. Can't we just pick a direction? Ah, SPY. SPY fell just under 390. Now it's going to consolidate here. Oh, come on, man.
Come on, man.
Come on. Don't be doing that. The market was looking pretty red there for a little while, but I don't know. Then it reversed, I guess. That's too bad. Gold, man. What is the... Wow. I think I found out where I should have been today. On gold. Jeez, I forgot about gold. Oh my gosh. Man. Wow, GLD. I'm surprised nobody mentioned this yet. What a move this morning. Wow, GLD has been the play to look at. Jeez, guys. Seriously, GLD, that is fantastic. Can't believe that thing's running up like that again. It's not like SPY's really falling off that hard, but I guess it constitutes a move. At least a little one. At least a little one. Hang on one sec. Alrighty, guys, who's playing chess today? Who's playing the chess? Let's see. Scornish is his username. Keisha says, send me an invite. Purdy. Purdy, let's go, Purdy. Glad to see you in here, my guy. Let's go. I was wondering where you were today earlier, Purdy. I was kind of hoping you'd be back, but I didn't see you. Yeah, here, I'll get it going. Hang on. Review versus Mike McBurney. Was that Mike Chang? Who was that? Alright, I'll invite Keisha up. She said to invite her. Sean, I'll play you next, my guy. Let me get warmed up on Keisha, Sean, and then I'll play you. Then I'll play you. Oh, I need to add Keisha as a friend. Oh, Keisha, I forgot to add you. Oh. Keisha, let me know your name again. I'm sorry. I should have added you as a friend. Let me know your name, Keisha. Oh, it's all caps. Ah, I did it and it just wasn't caps, I see. There we go. Alright, we're gonna do a nice 30-minute match. That's what we'll do. Can I change these colors of the board? No. Let's do a funny version, Keisha. Alright, here you go. There we go. Perfect. Just about perfect there. Keisha, how is your rating so high? Keisha. Keisha, have you been practicing on here? No. Nice stuff, Purdy. I appreciate you joining up. Thank you. And thanks for being in the Discord like you are. Appreciate you. All right, this is pretty crazy. Keisha moved up there. Keisha, you're scaring me. Keisha's scaring me, guys. I don't know what to do here. What do I do? Man, you did exactly what I wanted to do, Keisha. Alright, though. I'll try to vary some stuff a little bit. Purdy, hey! Yeah. You need to post them up if you can. Put them into the, just put them in discussion chat for now. And if you have a premium membership, there's actually a special channel called Member Plays where you can post them up as well. If you have premium. I know you don't, though, but if you did have premium, there's a special channel. You can just put them in discussion for now, though. And, you know, it'll still help out a lot. Like, you can post it a couple times and stuff like that. Could be pretty good. Could be good. Man, I don't want to do the same thing you're doing, Keisha. Looks like we are, though. Looks like we are. Mike, I wish you could be on my team. We should be able to do a 2 versus 2. That would be pretty dope, like a tag team. Forgot the ticker on the unusual last night. Hey, Seren, thanks for asking. Let me get it for you really quick. It was CPRX. CPRX, Seren. Catalyst Pharmaceuticals was the ticker for you. They got into some 15 strike calls for June 16th, 2023. It's actually still doing pretty good. Still doing pretty good, if I must say so. There we go. Yeah, it's a pretty good stock, though. I mean, not a good stock. Like, I wouldn't hold that, but it seems like there's a lot of momentum with it. CPRX. Catalyst. Very interesting name as well. What's going on? Yeah, Catalyst Pharmaceuticals. Nothing too crazy, but... I don't really like Catalyst too much. Well, now I gotta go back. That was funny. That was useless. That was a waste of my turn. That was a waste of my breath, guys. Can you believe it? Yeah, GLD has been the freaking play today, though. Alright, it's time to make some moves. Time to make some moves here. What can we do? What can I do? Pretty tough here on the chest, guys. Keisha's playing me good here today. She's got 1240 on her ranking. That's pretty high. I'm only at 5.8. Keep in mind, guys, I'm like 0 for 7. Like, no joke on this chess. I'm like 0 for 7 versus Keisha. Not actually versus Keisha, just versus anybody. So, pretty insane as far as that goes. Look at the QQQ, though. Starting to get some good movement here going. I appreciate you guys joining up, though, and watching today, though. Seriously, it's going to be a nice stream as the day goes. Still got a couple hours left on it. Should have some fun as the day goes on. Coinbase, look at that. There's Coinbase's momentum, guys. They had some good news today, and I was hoping they'd break out even more. And there we go. Finally getting that good push. Been waiting for that all throughout the day today. It's not all about the chess here. Actually, here, let's actually, look at that. Look at that. There we go. There we go. We made it even more. There we go. Perfect. 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 Oh, she went backwards. Interesting. Interesting move, Keisha. I was not expecting that one. I'll say. I want this pawn. This pawn here is mine. this pawn that's across the halfway point of the board. This is my side of the board, Keisha. That's my side. Look at Coinbase, though, guys. Getting some momentum, seriously. Starting to run up. Check that out. Fantastic movement. Let's go. Yeah, there we go. Love that. That's all right with me. Look at coin go. Come on, guys. Let's break above 73. Come on. We had some good news today. You look bullish as hell, Coinbase. Come on. Do not let us down today. Do not do it to us. Come on. Let me close out of this. Get these tabs closed off. Sorry about that, guys. Come on. Don't do it to us, Coinbase. Come on. Keep going up. I like it. Get above 73, maybe? Come on now. Let's get up higher. Don't reject on us. Don't reject on us now. Come on. Ugh. Don't be rejected. No. That's not what we want. Come on, XPEV. You're going to bounce off support at 9 for us and help us out, maybe? Maybe? Maybe not. Probably not, right? Probably not. End phase is tanking. No. Whoa. What the? End phase is having quite the flush today. I gotta post that up. What's the ICC? What is this? Houdini, what is that? Houdini, if you're in here, what's that thing you posted in the Discord? What is that? He posted something that says the ICC issues arrest warrant for Putin. Like, what? I don't know what the ICC is, but it seems weird. Nice, Keisha moved out the way. That's right. I'm just kidding, Keisha. Oh, that's funny. This is a nice like game so far, Keisha. We're having I don't know, we're not doing anything too crazy yet. Nothing too crazy so far. I don't even know what the heck I'm doing on here, guys. I need some help. You guys need to tell me where to move. Oh, it's the International Criminal Court. Okay. International Criminal Court. Very interesting. Well, that wasn't what I wanted. Sappy. That was a mistake. Yeah, Mike, I didn't even see anything. Let's see, ENPH. I didn't see anything yet. I don't have any news on Thinkorswim. Jeez. I would have thought there'd been something, right? I moved it right here. It's a bit of a weird spot to go to, but kind of like it. Okay. That was interesting, Keisha. Very interesting move. End phase. Starting to come up now, actually. Might have fallen a little bit too much here in the short term, huh? Kind of seems that way. Kind of seems that way. Bad move, though. It is not what you want to see. Not what you want to see at all. Hey, no problem, Keisha. I wish this game had unlimited time. Honestly, I'd play it unlimited time, but it won't let me. It's dumb. I take more time than you. Ooh. We're both gonna take each other's knights, aren't we? We're both about to lose a knight, it looks like, Keisha, huh? Do I want to do that, or do I want to, like, go to here? Whatever. We'll see what happens, man. Normally, I'm always about trading off, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here, right? Kind of like with the end phase, like, ouch, like what are they doing? I think with them, the big thing is just that they fell under the 200 support after flying up so much. They're up so much. End phase has been one of the craziest stocks in a long, long time. Sorry, guys, trying to eat something real quick. Starving out here. Alright, what the hell did you do now? Now you got me freaked out, Keisha. Now I don't know what to do. We're in the same predicament, aren't we? But if I go back to here, now you gotta do something still, so that's a plus for me, I guess. I shouldn't be thinking out loud, should I? No. Should not be thinking. End phase is still going. Look at this. Breaking the low of day. No. Not the low of day, guys. Watch out. See our 4-chart setup. How are we looking? Deutsche Bank, Disney's alright. Gold. Gold's been great. Of course, right? SPY hasn't. SPY's been rejecting off 394, which Cornish hit it right on the head earlier. It's the Twilight Zone right there. I guess we'll do it. Keep in mind, guys, I'm like 0 for 7 on here, so... Or maybe even worse. I'm bad. I just lose and lose and lose, so we'll see how this game goes. Place your bets now, though. I don't think you'd want to bet on me. That's for sure. Give me 1 second, guys. Oh. All right, guys, I am back. Sorry about that. Had to run real quick. Mike says, imagine them being at 80 cents back in 2017 just to see him go up to 320 in a few years. Mike, that was something else. That was one of the bigger moves, I think, in the stock market there. That was seriously groundbreaking. Like, no joke, groundbreaking. Hey, I really do appreciate you guys joining up, though, today. It's been a pretty fun stream so far. Getting a lot of price action in as well. It's not like we just have this going. We also made a purchase on PLNHF. Don't forget, 1,000 shares. So, pretty big one there. 1K shares. It's going to be a tough one, man. I kind of believe in them, though, having all those stores like they do. I'll never let that go. It'll just be a waiting game. A good old waiting game. This is a very interesting chess match here. It's actually going pretty well for me, I'd say. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing, so maybe Keisha has something planned up her sleeve. She's gonna be coming in here going pa, 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 and take like up my knight and everything like that. She's gonna leave me upset. Can't believe I'm 0 for 6 though. Like what's up with that shit? Yeah, like come on. It's not fair, man. 0 for 6? Or like 0 for 7? I've never won while on the stream. Like it's pretty bad, man. Pretty bad. I'm sad now. Now I'm thinking about it and I'm like a little sad. I've never been that bad. Maybe I'll be able to come back a little bit, right? Hey, I appreciate you guys voting on the Wolf of Wall Street poll, though. 69%, Elon's favorite number, voted that yes, you love it. 31% voted no, but you want to see it. So, very nice. Nobody voted for, I never want to see it, I hate my life. There you go. But thank God no one voted for that one, right? I was hoping no one voted for it. Keisha's time is at 17:18. Whoa, Keisha. Why'd you do that? Is this part of your elaborate plan? Should I take that? I'm so confused. I feel like I should, but I feel like if I do that, I don't know, I'm screwing myself somehow. What if I do this? I don't know what I'm doing here, but we're having fun. It's all good on that front. Palantir. Look at Palantir about to break under. No. Palantir, stop it. DraftKings. No, don't do that. Planet 13. Let's try in here. But yeah, guys, let me know what stocks you guys are seeing as well. We'll check them out. End phase was the big mover I saw lately to the downside. Pretty bad drop over the past 5 to 10 minutes. Big candle. I was hoping Coinbase would continue up, but they're just kind of lacking up here. Not doing what they have potential to do. Nvidia's sitting there, not really doing anything either. Holland's here, like quadruple bottom here, 784, 7.84. Hey, thanks, Seren. Thank you for joining up. Thanks for being here. Thanks for the positivity. Let's go. Hell yeah, Seren. Love that. Whoa, Keisha, what'd you just do? Oh, see? See, Keisha's been playing me, guys. I should have taken that. Aww. I am in a very weird spot. Ah. Alright, Keisha, I guess we'll play your games for now. We'll do whatever you had in store. Alright, we'll play your games. Alright, now let's see what we can do. Dang, Keisha. You got me upset now. Now I'm sad. Now I'm out of nowhere. I feel like I'm not doing as well. It's alright, though. I plan on kicking the thing up a notch or two here. Kicking things up or two. That's right. Don't laugh at me. I'm 0 for 6, alright? Alright. I'm 0 for 6, okay? It can happen. Whoa. That was a pretty good move, Keisha. Pretty good decision, I'd say, huh? Pretty easy decision for Tom, though, I think. It's time for you to make a move, Keisha, from here. I think. It's time for you to move away from my side of the board. I don't know if you can hide on this one. This might be the only square you could go to on this one. I don't know. What'd you just do? Oh man, Keisha, what are you doing to me? See, she had a plan and I didn't know the plan. And she's getting me now. This ain't fair. No! This happens every single time, guys. Nvidia is just holding there. Coinbase, come on, Coin. Come on, Coin. Let's get up there. Let's get a good move here today. Man, Keisha. Ugh. I can't do anything. But you can't either, technically, so you technically can't do anything either, so. I mean, do I really care about that anyway? All right, let's see what happens here. Pretty good play. Ran my time down a little bit, but had to make some thinks. Had to think a little bit. Had to make some thinks. What a word. Thinks. Yeah, Mike, that would have been insane, wouldn't it? Whoa. Very interesting what's going on right now. We're starting to make some moves. We're getting some action. But she took my queen, which I didn't fucking realize till now. That's sad. Isn't it? Very sad. That's very sad, actually. If I must say so. I don't know how I let that happen. I just wasn't thinking. Dang it, Chess. You always do this to me. All right, she got her queen over here. Oh boy. What now? What now, right? What do I do? Boy. Boy, oh boy. Oh. Well, went from being a good game, went bad to me. I don't know. At least it's not going towards my plan. I can tell you that much. What do I do? What do we do? Maybe I'm 0 for 6 because everyone can see like, oh, no, that's not what I meant to do. No, 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 no. Keisha, no. Don't go, don't go, don't go. Hang on. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah. I had to go back a play. Is it not my turn? Ah. No. Dang it, that was a mistake. I didn't mean to even click there. That was just like a misclick. Oh no. Not fair. Keisha, just move one spot and move back, and then I'll move back, and then we can just go. If you want. I don't. Whatever you want to do. Just play it how it lies, I guess. I don't care. Dumb computers. It's dumb we can't have like a friendly like you know, go back or something like that. It's dumb that they don't let us do that. But I guess I misclicked, so it's my fault. At the end of the day. Palantir, 784 support. Come on. How's Boeing today? Boeing's kind of bouncing off 199. Trying to get back above 200 here. Kind of seems like a pretty decent play, doesn't it? Come on, Boeing. Alright, she's doing me dirty now. Alright, I see how it is. You're in check now. I like this. I'm pretty confident right now. I like this. Let's see how this game goes, Keisha. We're really close here. No Tinder chat. No. Get out of here. Yep, you're gone. That was quick. They didn't last long this time, guys. That was pretty quick boot. I deserve a round of applause for that one. Be right back, guys. All right, Keisha, let's go. All right, we're back. Good game. Keisha says, you got me on this one. Yeah, I might. I don't know. I didn't expect you to go here. What do the heck do I do now? I guess I do that. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Yeah. You still have a chance, Keisha, honestly. I just thought of a scenario in my head that you could do right now that would be weird. That would throw it all upside down. Alright, Bank of America, JP Morgan. Man, those banks are having a bad day today. It seemed like some confidence came back, but for a lot of these big banks, they're getting way below the lows of yesterday. Man. Alright, Spy, let's go. Let's have a nice end of day move here on this Friday. Let's get like a nice power hour move here over the next few hours. Hopefully we get some type of big swing in either direction. I'll take even a sell-off, to be honest with you. I'll take a big sell-off as long as we get a big move. What stocks are you guys watching right now, though? Let me know. Check them out. Got quite a bit going. Nice. Keisha made a move back to here. Interesting one. Very interesting. I don't know if I'm doing the right move here or not, but I hope I am. Wait, what did I just do? Oh, she took that. Oh. Was I just being like a huge idiot? Oh. Man. I was, wasn't I? Darn it. That's too bad. Alright, let's see what happens here. It's a tough one. Coin calls, Houdini says. Coin calls? No, don't resign, Keisha. Come on, you look how close you are. You're annihilating me. You're putting up a fight, Keisha. Come on, you're a fighter. You got this. Well, I hope you don't have it, but you do as far as me trying to motivate. AMD puts, but I think I was too early on those. Yeah, you might have been. Let's see. I feel like that's going to fall off, though. It kind of seems like a breakdown play to me, but if this continues today, that would be something else after all the crazy price action that we've had today. We've had some crazy price action. Pretty crazy. Exactly, Keisha. Exactly. That's exactly how it is. I hope you don't have it, but You got this. I'm like 0 for 7. I can't blow this one, Keisha. I feel like you're in a pretty good spot, though. Like, it sucks. Sucks to say, but you're in a decent spot over here. I don't know where you're going to move now, but I don't know what I'm doing or what I'm going to do. For you, I feel like the best move would be to go backwards or something. I have no idea, but maybe here? I don't know, but it's got me pretty confused out here what we're going to be doing. You only got 5 minutes left though, Keisha. Let me click give you more time. Uh-oh, shit. What'd she do? What'd you just do there? What if I did this? Oh! Guys, I'm blowing this game. This is so bad. I keep clicking without looking at the whole board. Interesting. Now we're going to be in a very interesting spot. Wow. This is going to be one hell of a game. That's all I can say. This is messed up. I blew this game. I blew this game. No. Couple misclicks got me. We'll have to see what happens here. This is... What was I doing here? How the hell did she get that? That was a blunder. What a weird game. All right, there we go. There we go, there we go. What the? Dang. I'm gonna be playing keep away now. Come on, Square. Come on, Square, let's go. Houdini says, I feel like there's a big flush coming, so I got some YOLO SPY puts. Very nice. YOLO SPY puts under 388.50. Could be a pretty good move here today. Just be careful. SPY's getting pretty low on the day. I'm kind of with you, though, on the puts. To be honest. Boy, this game is becoming weird. Come on, Keisha, come over here. Ooh. This is becoming to be a very hard game. I upped your time, Keisha. It's not letting you move your pawn. Keisha, if it's not letting you move it, it's because if you move it, you'll become like into check or something. I don't know how that's possible though. Which pawn do you mean? Are you trying to move this pawn, Keisha, to here? It won't let you move your pawn. Which one are you moving? D2? I upped your time again. G3. That's weird. Keisha, did you accidentally click one of these things down here? If you accidentally clicked one of these arrows, you might need to go back to like the regular time. If that makes sense. Might need to click this up arrow here. Forward. Forward arrow, maybe. I don't know. That's pretty weird, though. These dumb games. Keisha, you can't move it to here. Are you trying to move it all the way to here? Because you can't move it to there. You can only move pawns one spot. Keisha, you can only move them 2 spots if it's the very first time. If it's the very first move. That's the only time they're allowed to get 2 moves, Keisha. Whoa. Whoa, you went over here. Okay. That's fair. But, yeah, that's why. It wouldn't even let you go here? Because you should have been able to go to 4. But you can't go to 5. Oh. Weird. Oh. Now I can't move. Oh, I'm in check. Oh. Oh. Well, that sucks. That really sucks for me. Oh boy. This is my only chance. My only chance is right now. What are we gonna do? I like this. Whoa. I don't mind this one bit. Keisha declined the draw. No, Keisha, don't decline the draw. Darn it. This is getting to be a tough game, guys. Really a tough game. Come on, DraftKings. You're lucky I'm giving you more time, Keisha. These other people could have done this to me, but they didn't want to be nice. Yes. No! I thought I had it! No! I thought I had it. Oh. Keisha, you got me. Alright, we're just gonna... What else can I do here? We're not giving up, though, because you haven't, you know... Oh, there it is. Okay. Darn, Keisha. You got me sad today. Alright. I thought I finally had it. I made some blunders, guys. I shouldn't have done that. Oh, I had a couple bad moves. No, you weren't, Keisha. It's my fault. I didn't see some of those backward moves you made. I'll keep my record at 0-7, I guess. Look at that. Fantastic. Hey, I'll take this move with DraftKings, though, kind of bouncing off this 1760 support. How's PLNHF? Looking all right. I'll take this move, right? PLNHF, looking good. PLTR. SPY itself is not looking good, but it's starting to come back up a little bit, which is, I guess, good. It's really good to see him come back, and we need to see more comebacks come in here. Way more comebacks need to come in as the day goes, but what a move. Good game, though, Keisha, of course. Good game. Always a good game. I enjoyed the game. It was a close one, I'll say. That one, you know, we got down to, like, no pieces being left, but mainly my fault. Of course, I blew it. Oh, I got impatient, just started clicking quicker. Didn't think. I thought, but then obviously things change, of course. Yeah, good game though, Keisha. I'll take it. I'll take the game today. Nice and fun. Hey, I appreciate everybody joining up today, though. It was a nice long stream. Really, I do appreciate everybody joining. The market's starting to get a little bit slow, so we'll probably go ahead and cut it off now. But really, I do appreciate you joining. Keisha, Houdini, Sean, Purdy, Mike Chang, of course, Jamie, Christian, Seren. Thank you guys. Dingo, Ant, Spacely. Thank you guys for joining up. Seriously, have a great weekend. Have a great rest of your Friday. I hope that you see some amazing profits as the day goes on here today, but looks like it's starting to get a little bit slow as the day goes on. If you guys enjoyed it, of course, smash that like button. If you're new here, hit that subscribe. I appreciate you. Other than that, let's have a great rest of the Friday. We go live every single morning at market open, so be ready on Monday. I think that we'll get a lot more price action coming in tomorrow than we will for the rest of the day today. So let's be ready Monday morning, get fueled this weekend, and let's have a good one, guys. Have a great rest of your Friday, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good weekend. Hey, Keisha, I didn't let you win. Get out of here. I swear, that was an accident. I swear to God. I'll talk to you later.